Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Barbara. I do unboxings, I do reviews, I do vlogs, and today I have for you an unboxing and a try on of Fashom. Yeah, I haven't had Fashom in a while, so I'm pretty excited about these colors. What's nice about Fashom is there's no subscription service. You want a box, you get on the website and you order a box and they send it to you. Well, they actually send you some previews first, usually around 7 previews, and then you pick 5 and that's what they'll send you. Or if maybe there's only a few items out of the 5 that you like, and then the stylist will pick a couple other items and send them to you. So I don't remember what I picked. That's the problem, but that's okay. So we'll be surprised together. So let's get this open. I'm gonna show them to you real quick and then do a try on. But before I do that, I wanted to show you, they put everything in this really nice folder. Thank you. Self-love is the best outfit. How true is that? And then you get your invoice here, a note from your stylist, and my stylist is Kristen. Ooh, prices look pretty good. If you get 5 items, and if you keep 3 or 4, you get a 15% discount. If you keep all 5, you get a 30% discount. It's like, yes, please. And of course, shipping is free. They give you this nice envelope. It goes through the post office for any of your returns. You put them in here, take them to the post office. I recommend you get a receipt, because if they don't get your stuff, you're gonna get billed for it. You have to have proof that you sent it. Let's see. So I'm gonna show you some items. I'll give you some more information about the company and how you can get your first box. So let's dig in and see what I have, and then I'll give you some more information. I gotta see what's in here. I'm telling you, I'm just so excited. I'm telling you. It doesn't sound right. Ooh, oh, look at the sleeves. Love this. That's cute. Okay, we're off to a good start, Kristen. All right, what's this? Oh, pink. Oh, more fluff. Big sleeve there. Puffy sleeve. That's pretty. Look at that beautiful pink. Love pink. Oh, it's got like a little ruffle down here. Gathering. That's cute. Okay, 2 for 2, I think. Uh-oh, what's this? Oh, this is nice. Look at that. That's cute. Look at the buttons on the bottom and the sleeves. This is a nice lightweight. It feels lightweight to get us ready to get into spring. This feels nice. Oh boy, pair of jeans. I updated my sizes and my height has shrunk a whole inch. So it looks like they sent me a pair of petites. You guys are always telling me that I need to wear petites. Oh, it's a good thing. Kristen, thank you for sending me a pair of petite. This is the first petites that I've had sent to me other than a petite box, but you know, that's all they send you usually. But anyways, these are an 8 petite and they're cut from the cloth. Oh, I mean, I like the wash on them too. Okay, which ones are these? Let's see. Natalie. I don't think I've tried the Natalie before. And a cute jacket. Look at this. Oh, this is cuter. I remember the preview and I'm like, oh, I don't know. But look at this. It's like a stretched denim jacket. Look at the color. It's like a pink animal, what is that? Print. Nice. Oh, I like that. I don't have one like this. That's nice. I like that. Okay, I'm excited. Let's get to the try on. I had to jump back on here because as I'm getting the clothes ready to take upstairs to try them on, I'm looking at the jacket. It's reversible. Look at this. This is gonna be fun. Okay, let me go get some of these clothes on. I wanna start back here and show you the whole outfit. Actually, it's the reversible jacket and the cut from the cloth jeans, but I want you to see the full view, then I'll come a little closer. The jeans actually are really nice. They are cut from the cloth. They are the Natalie Petite Bootcut, which actually, so the length is very good. These are only flat shoes that I have. I don't have any dress flat shoes, but I want you to see the length. I'm 5'3". The length is great. I had a pair of heels on, low heels with them, and those look great also. So the fit is really nice. These are not high rise, which was a little bit of a surprise for me because I'm not used to wearing mid-rise. But I think they fit very well. They are size 8. I don't know. I really, really like them. They're $75. Okay, so now let's talk about this jacket. This is a really nice jacket. It's got a lot of stretch in it. It is by Q2. I've never heard of Q2. It's called the Maria Reverse Denim Jacket. It's $86. It feels really, really nice on. It has the collar, the buttons. It's got little pockets. Oh, only on one side. I don't think this is a pocket. Yeah, it is a pocket. I thought there was a pocket there. Does it have pockets on the side? I didn't even check it out first before I put it on because I was so excited to see what it looked like with it being reversed. I love the stretch in it. It is a shorter jacket. Okay, let's try it on the reverse side. Here it is with the print. This is so cute. You're getting 2 jackets for the price of 1. Look at how pretty that is. They do have the snaps. I don't think I showed you all the detail because I'm so excited about the jacket. Like I said, there's no pockets here, but there are pockets up here, which is nice. Let's see, what else I don't know what else to tell you about it. It's just really nice. The length is perfect on me. So what I would normally do is I would unsnap these. Do they snap? Nope, it's button. And just roll them up. That's just how I like to wear my jackets. Everyone has their own preference. I like that it has a different color. So when I wear it reverse, then the animal print will end up showing on the sleeve. I like this a lot. Okay, we're 2 for 2. Did I tell you guys also that with Fashom, you have the opportunity to talk to someone on the styling team? Yeah, 15-minute video call. Who else offers that? I don't know anybody else that offers that. 15-minute video call with your stylist so they can get to know you so that when you get your box, it's more styled towards your personal preferences. So, did I tell you they donate $1 to the, what is it? I have notes. I want to make sure I get it right. To the Second Chance Rescue in New York City. $1 from every single box that is ordered. That's really nice. Okay, 2 for 2. Let's try something else on. How cute is this sweater? This sweater I almost declined because I was like, oh, I don't know. But it is so cute and it's soft. And one of the things that I told my stylist is please do not send me any hand washed items. And she checked. She made sure that nothing in my box is hand washed. This sweater is machine washable. The directions say to lay out to dry, but I'll probably put it on tumble. It feels so soft. It fits great. This is a small medium. It's more of like it's a real pale yellow, very pale yellow. It's so nice. I'm like, I tried it on, I was like, oh, this is really nice. Look at the button detail on here with the different hem on the bottom. What do you call this? You know, it's a little, so it gives you a little something different other than the entire top just being this type of fabric, I guess. But I love the detail on this. This is a great length because I have my belt still on with these jeans and you don't really notice it. This fits really well. The length is perfect on the arms. This is called the Cozyrima Sweater in a size small medium. It's $54. And I would say this is worth every penny. That's how well it feels. I'll tell you, really surprised. I really am. You never know until you try them on. That's what's great about these style boxes. And let's see. Oh, if you have not ordered a Fashom box and you use my referral link, you get a $10 credit and I get a $10 credit. And any credits that you have, you know, accumulate, you can use that towards your styling fee. Your first styling fee is $20. So, and it goes towards, you know, whatever you purchase from that box or for the styling fee. So this is a keeper. Okay, we are 3 for 3. 2 more to go. I have to tell you, I love, love, love this top. This is really nice. I forgot to look at the size, but I would guess it's a small medium again, but I'll have to look and I'll let you guys know. I'll put it on the screen if it's on there. But this is so nice. It is machine washable and you can put it in the dryer. It just feels really nice. I like the 3/4 sleeves. Well, it's actually, that's more of a half sleeve. Well, no, I guess, I don't know. See, I would say, what is that? Probably 3/4. You know, we're going to be getting into spring, so this is nice. I love the print on it. It's so cute. It's got the little puffy sleeves. They call this the Neenah Ruffle sleeve top, $45. Yes, please. I like it tucked in the front, a little front tuck, but let me show you how long it is. And it's not real thin. It's not a thick, but it's not real, you know, it's not that real thin material. I love it. It's nice. It's so nice to be excited about a box. And let's see, let me think. Did I forget to tell you anything else? I've got some notes and no, you know, don't forget to use my referral link and you'll get $10 and I'll get $10. Yes. Okay, let's try on the last top. Okay, this is the Gabby puff sleeve. This is a beautiful deep pink, kind of like it's got a little purple in it. It has the gathered with the ruffle sleeve, the puff sleeves here. I love the color. Love, love, love the color. This top is $44 and it is machine washable and you can put it in the dryer. It fits really nice except for this, the right arm keeps wanting to slide up. And I am wearing a size medium. So it's just kind of a strange feeling. And these don't lay as well as the other top with the puff sleeves. And maybe you see it more because it's a solid color, but it feels really nice. I did a front tuck. It is long. So it's a great length. It feels nice. But this is a little kind of off balance, I'd say. Or is it just me? No, I think this one's lower than this one. I don't know. What do you guys think? It sure is cute though. Love the color. And I'd wear it with jeans. And this is a good transition piece into spring. Okay. I just have to say, Kristen, if you're watching, you nailed my style. You got it. I love everything that you sent me, but I want to just kind of go over these real quick with you because if I keep all 5, I get a 30% discount. If I only keep 3 or 4, it's a 15% discount. I love everything. I want to make sure you guys can see the color of these better. This is the sweater. How cute that is. Remember that with the buttons? This is a keeper, definitely. Here's the animal print with the puff sleeves. It's more like a black and I don't know. It looks orange on the camera, but it's more like probably like maybe a brownish orange, I guess. Okay, I love this. This is a keeper. The jacket. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at the color. It's like a burnt burgundy, I guess, with black. And then the inside, reversible. It's got the stitching. I didn't show you very much detail, did I? Because I was so excited. So, and the jeans. I've kept the jeans on. I have to tell you, I've gotten used to the mid-size. And what I would do, these are keeper. They're petite. I'm going to find the right shoes. I can't wear flats unless they're gym shoes. So I'm going to see if I can find more of a wedge booty type shoe or a small wedge or something to dress them up a little bit. But I'll wear my tennis shoes that I wear all the time when I go watch my grandkids. I'll probably just wear those with them when I'm just kind of running around, and then put some heels on, my low heels. These are from White House Black Market. Love them. I know I got them on sale for like 20 bucks a few years ago. Love these. Okay, let's talk about pricing. Oh goodness, my entire box to keep all 5 items is from $304 to $212.80. That includes the jeans, that includes the jacket, and 3 tops. One of them is a sweater, which shocked me how much I like it. If I were to only keep 4 items, this is the only item that I'm not sure about, because see, this sleeve keeps pulling up and this seems a little off. See, it looks off balance. So this, if I return this top, it's going to cost me more for my box because I only get a 15% discount instead of 30%. So my box is $221. So I might as well keep this and enjoy it. You know, I can wear this. I'll get some use out of it. So I'm going to keep everything for $212.80. When is the last time you guys heard me say that? It has been so long that I would keep an entire box. So I don't know, better as I am. Whoops, let's see, I don't know. Oh yeah, my address is on here. So, yep. So thank you so much. I am loving these items. I'm excited to wear them. And thanks for watching, everyone. And don't forget that if you would like to order a box, I'll leave my referral link down below, and then we both will receive $10. And in the description, I will put everything that is in my box so that if you want to request those items with your stylist, then you'll have the information and the sizes. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.